Welcome back everyone to another episode of Learning the English Language with me Vinod. So today I'm going to teach you on how to crack the true, false or not given in the IELTS topic. Shall we begin? Here we go. Now in reading, the set of questions that are asked will be of various categories: fill in the blanks, matching, multiple choice, choose the correct heading. Now there is a particular pattern which will really help you to score well, yet confuses you. Yes, you have guessed it right. It's the true, false and not given. Now how to crack it? First, a rough blueprint. If the statement has 100% relevancy, either directly or in a paraphrased manner, it is true. If the statement is contradictory to the passage, it's false. In other words, completely opposite to the passage information. But the statement which is really disturbing for the students is the not given statement. Yes, it is the most difficult statement to crack. Why is it difficult? I will tell you. Because any statement which is 50% based on assumption or 50% based on unwanted information, it is not given. Now I will give a briefing. Now the passage I will speak, okay, whichever passage comes to my mind. Generally, in this theatre, houseful shows are usually on Wednesdays, but Mondays are also good business days. Let's keep this statement in your mind. Now the first true or false or not given statement I will give. Mondays are maximum business days. Is it true or false or not given? True, is it? You're wrong. I said Monday is also a good business day. However, the word houseful means maximum. So maximum business days are Wednesdays. So the answer is false. Got it? Now if I give a statement, Wednesdays are blockbuster days for business. Paraphrased, right? True. Now let me go to the not given statement. Mondays are good business days also for snacks and beverages. Unwanted information which is not given in the real statement. So it's not given. Let me say, each and every Monday will be a good business day as a routine. Okay, now every Monday may or may not be a good business day. Business is unpredictable, so therefore we are assuming it may or may not be. It has both factors, it has both answers suitable for it. So when you're leaving up to the assumption of the audience, again it will be not given. Understood? See, it won't be easy as what I'm telling you right now. It will be difficult because I gave a simple 2-minute passage and based on that I'm explaining you. But I'm teaching you how to think in a lateral way to crack this true or false or not given. Hope this simple tip helps you in your IELTS reading. Until then, have a great day guys. Stay safe and stay healthy.